Okay, here we are, and all we're doing today is just showing you how long it takes to look over all 28 major currency pairs. Okay, so let's just go to the charts. I'm just going to show you guys how quickly we can look through 28 currency pairs, determine if we're going to take a trade or not. So we do trade 28 currency pairs. If you're trading 1, 2, 3, don't really trade too exotic or too volatile currency pairs, but we'll go into that in another video. So today we're just looking at how quickly we can check through all of the charts and determine if we're going to make a trade or not. We're on the 18th of April 2020, and obviously, as you can see on this little tab here, this is the currency pair we're currently looking at. It's the Euro American dollar, and we're going. So straight away I can see, I'm not going to tell you, if you don't know, if you haven't taken the training course, I'm not going to obviously tell you how to read all of the indicators, all of these things here, which are called indicators, all of these that we've got on the charts. I'm not going to tell you in this video how to read them. I'm just going to show you how quick it is to read them. Okay, so here I can see straight away, no, that is a no trade. We're on to the Great British Pound, American dollar, and I can see again that is a no trade. The Aussie American dollar, again for me, no trade. The US dollar, Canadian dollar, no trade. The US dollar, Swiss franc, no trade. The US dollar, Japanese yen, no trade. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, no trade. No trade, but that would be on a maybe list. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, no trade. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, no trade. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, no. I could go on the maybe pile. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen can also go on the maybe pile. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, no trade. Actually, sorry, my bad, that could go on the maybe. So 3 maybes for the Aussie dollar in a long. Euro Aussie dollar, no trade for me. Euro Canadian dollar, no trade for me. Euro Swiss franc, no trade. Euro Great British Pound, no trade. Possible, but probably not. Euro Japanese yen, a maybe. Euro New Zealand dollar, no trade. New Zealand dollar Canadian dollar, no trade. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, no trade. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, no trade. New Zealand dollar US dollar, no trade. you can see that, you know, you're not always going to have trades. We're trading on the daily time frame. So, you know, they're not every day you're in and out of a trade. We're looking for long runs. You can always drop down your time frame, but that is completely up to you. So the Great British Pound now against the Canadian dollar, no trade for me. The Great British Pound against the Swiss franc, no trade. Great British Pound against the Japanese yen, no trade. Great British Pound against the New Zealand dollar. No trade. Okay, and then there are a few more pairs that you could add in there. I'm going to add in the New Zealand Singapore dollar, and again that is a no trade. But yeah, no trade there. Okay, yeah, cool, and that's it. So all 28 currency pairs there, and we'd done that in, I'm not sure how many minutes, but that's how long it could take you to look at your charts, put your trades on for the day, and then walk away from your laptop if you wanted to. If you've got a job as well as your trading, then that's what I would advise. I would advise looking at the charts once a day on the daily time frame, and that is how long it would take you. You look at that every day, and you know, you don't have to look at it again until 24 hours later. So not too much time, and quite quickly and easily able to read it. If you haven't already, please purchase one of our training courses or get in touch with us for